Are you struggling to edit files on your local machine while working with an Ubuntu AWS instance? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're going to solve the issue of mounting SSHFS on your Mac OS X to seamlessly edit files on your cloud instance. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when you want to work on your project locally but run into mounting issues. You're not the only one facing this challenge, and we're here to help you through it. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user wants to edit files locally using a nice IDE, with changes instantly reflected on their Ubuntu machine in the cloud. They have already installed Fuse and SSHFS on their Mac, but they're running into some roadblocks. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So, what could be causing this issue? It seems like there might be a problem with the SSH connection or the way SSHFS is set up. We'll break down the troubleshooting steps to help you get this working. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will make your file editing experience even smoother. To begin resolving this issue, the user should ensure that the SSHFS command is correctly formatted. The user needs to check that the path to the identity file is accurate and that the permissions are set correctly. Next, the user should try unmounting the existing SSHFS mount before attempting to mount it again. This can be done using the diskutil command. After unmounting, the user should attempt to mount the SSHFS again. If the same disconnection error occurs, it may be beneficial to check the SSH configuration on the remote server. The user should also verify the SSH configuration on the Ubuntu server. This includes ensuring that the correct SFTP subsystem is enabled in the SSHD config file. Finally, if the user continues to experience issues, they should check the security group settings in AWS to ensure that the necessary ports are open for SSH connections. Fun fact, did you know that SSHFS stands for SSH File System? It allows you to mount remote directories over SSH, making file management a breeze. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that the issue arises from running the SSHFS command with sudo. This is important because the root user cannot access your authentication keys located in your home directory. Instead, you should specify the full path to your PEM file. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always check your SSH connection and permissions before mounting. This can save you a lot of time and headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to mount SSHFS successfully and edit your files locally. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.